Did you know that some of the things you've been told about vegetables might actually be myths? That's right. Many seniors believe they should avoid certain veggies because they cause bloating, increase arthritis pain, or interfere with medications. But what if we told you that some of these so-called facts are completely wrong? Stick around because today we're debunking the biggest vegetable myths for seniors. Plus, we'll answer your most burning questions at the end, so don't miss it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel. All right, let's get started. Now let's bust some myths and uncover the truth about vegetables. Myth 1. Nightshade vegetables cause arthritis pain. One of the most common myths is that nightshade vegetables like tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, and potatoes make arthritis worse. Many people believe that these vegetables cause inflammation and joint pain. The truth. Scientific studies, including research from the Arthritis Foundation, show that nightshade vegetables do not cause arthritis or worsen symptoms. In fact, these vegetables are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation. For example, tomatoes contain lycopene, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. What seniors should do instead. Instead of avoiding these vegetables, seniors should include them in a balanced diet. Cooking them can help make digestion easier, and pairing them with healthy fats like olive oil can enhance nutrient absorption. Myth 2. Raw vegetables are hard to digest for seniors. Many seniors think that raw vegetables are too hard on the stomach and should be avoided. This belief often stems from concerns about bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort. The truth. Raw vegetables can be more difficult to digest for some people, but they are also packed with essential enzymes, fiber, and nutrients. The key is to find the right balance and prepare vegetables in a way that makes them easier to digest. What seniors should do instead. Lightly steam or roast vegetables to make them softer while preserving nutrients. Chew thoroughly to help with digestion. Pair raw veggies with healthy dips like hummus or yogurt to aid digestion. Myth 3. Juicing is better than eating whole vegetables. Juicing has become a popular trend, and many seniors believe that drinking vegetable juice is just as good, or even better, than eating whole vegetables. The truth. While juicing does provide some nutrients, it removes the fiber that is crucial for digestion and overall gut health. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full longer. Without fiber, vegetable juice can cause blood sugar spikes, which may not be ideal for seniors with diabetes or insulin resistance. What seniors should do instead. Eat whole vegetables to get the full benefits of fiber. If juicing, try blending instead of juicing to retain fiber. Pair vegetable juices with a protein or healthy fat to slow sugar absorption. Myth 4. Frozen vegetables have no nutrients. Some people think that frozen vegetables are not as healthy as fresh ones because they lose nutrients during freezing. The truth. According to studies from the Journal of Food Science, frozen vegetables are often just as nutritious, sometimes even more than fresh ones. Vegetables are usually frozen at their peak ripeness, locking in nutrients. On the other hand, fresh vegetables can lose nutrients while sitting in storage or during transportation. What seniors should do instead. Buy frozen vegetables for convenience and nutrition. Look for plain frozen veggies without added sauces or sodium. Store fresh vegetables properly to maintain their nutrient value. And now it's time for your burning questions about vegetables. Let's dive in. Are nightshade vegetables really bad for arthritis? No, research shows that nightshades do not cause arthritis and can actually help reduce inflammation. Should seniors avoid raw vegetables? Not necessarily. Some people may have trouble digesting them, but steaming or roasting can make them easier to eat. Is juicing better than eating whole vegetables? No, juicing removes fiber, which is essential for digestion and blood sugar control. Are frozen vegetables less nutritious than fresh ones? No, frozen vegetables are often just as nutritious as fresh because they are frozen at peak ripeness. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.